The Supreme Court is rejecting tonight a last-ditch effort that was trying to challenge President-elect Biden's victory over President Trump. This is a new order that flatly and completely rejects any effort to challenge Biden's win in Pennsylvania, another loss for a Trump GOP strategy that has become legally futile. A scattershot of complaints and challenges in different states that, to be clear, would not individually change the outcome of Biden's victory, no matter what happened, even if they were more successful. But what I'm reporting to you tonight, new from the Supreme Court, is even these little ineffectual piecemeal efforts are completely failing. Now, what does it look like when your case is so weak it doesn't even merit a trial or Supreme Court arguments or a detailed set of rulings? Well, I'll tell you right now, it is very short and it's very simple. Consider this brief text both a civics lesson and a legal burn for the Giuliani-led strategy, because it only takes one sentence, we'll show you specifically, to see how the justices shot down this last-ditch gambit. You're looking on your screen at the entire ruling tonight. This came out within the last hour, and it reads, the application for injunctive relief presented to Justice Alito and by him referred to the court is denied. Period. End of story. End of case. Game over. Now, this is short. This is decisive. I can tell you no judge on the court noted a dissent or disagreement. The court has a majority of Republican justices, of course, 3 appointed by President Trump himself. So it's pretty striking what's happening tonight. Meanwhile, lower courts continue to toss cases before they even get to the high court. Look at this new ruling from a judge in Michigan noting the ship has sailed regarding any effort to challenge Biden's win there. The people have spoken. And tonight's last legal gasps come as the United States hits a deadline tonight that we've been reporting on for you. You may recall that we've been tracing how all these different election results are processed, that there are rules for this, that the rules must be followed, that even a powerful incumbent commander-in-chief cannot change them. And that is why we knew long before tonight that there was no avenue left for Donald Trump to reverse the national outcome. Under law, by midnight tonight, all states must formalize their final results. They must close off any remaining pending challenges, recounts, or audits. So this is how it ends. After all the puffery or the lies or the claims of fraud with no evidence, which Trump's own lawyers ultimately dropped when forced to discuss those claims under oath, that's a forum where lying can become a crime. I could tell you tonight, here we are. Take a deep breath, take it in. Whether you like it or not, facts matter. The law governs. The Constitution is the final word in our country. And it ends like this, with states following the federal and constitutional rules to lock in the results. The results here were Biden winning and Trump losing. Now, Republicans are reduced to offering basically meaningless symbolic acts of petty objection on behalf of their lame duck leader, like today's move delaying the resolution that would start planning for a Biden-Harris inauguration. And 88% of Republican members of Congress still won't admit Biden won, according to a Washington Post count. Now, that is about power and pettiness. It's not about the facts of the results or the rule of law that we just walked through. And we know that because even those in Trump's own orbit publicly concede to the press it's over. And that is the context for one final piece of PR that might be easy to misunderstand. If you only saw a headline blaring across your phone or social media, it might be easy to misinterpret. But with everything I just told you, you can bring the proper lens to a PR stunt by someone who knows better, who's educated through law school to know better, the Texas Attorney General, picking this last-ditch, last-minute effort to sue other states like PA, Wisconsin, Michigan, GA, to flip their results for no reason. The other states responding, this is an obvious publicity stunt and a genuinely embarrassing lawsuit. Now, the embarrassment may be in the eye of the beholder. But tonight, it is striking that after everything you just saw, a federal deadline in law, which all attorneys general know about, this is the moment a new lawsuit drops, when it literally is too late to do anything.